Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a dot mandala that we are going to make in this video in a 12-inch board MDF base. Let's get started. Let's start with painting this heart in gold. Now around this circle I'm going to keep some small yellow stones. So let me place the Fevicol first. These are the 2 mm yellow color stones that I have that I'm going to place around here. It requires a lot of patience to pick each stone and place it separately. Let's do it. Now I have finished placing the mirror stones around this circle. I'll place some golden dots now. I'll keep tiny golden dots. I'm going to keep greenery dots now. I'll keep tiny greenery dots. I'll keep some light green dots now. Now I'll keep tiny light green dots. Now I'll keep a layer of golden dots. Now I'll keep tiny golden dots. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep some dots in coral red. Now I'll work the dots in coral red. Now I'll keep some crimson dots. I'll work the dots using crimson. Now I'll keep some maroon dots. I'll work the dots in maroon now. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll work the dots in gold. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in light green. I'll keep a plumpy dot and manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in greenery. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.